seeing since morning today that market is continuously on a buying mode, and at this point in time both Sensex and Nifty are trading handsomely up and around 8,500 for Nifty, and Sensex is trading around 27,860 level. In percentage roughly above 1%. What we are seeing apart from BSE, Sensex and Nifty, we are seeing strong buying gains in mid cap and small cap counters also. As a result, the BSE mid cap index is up 1.75% and small cap index is up 1.29%. Prominent gainers in mid cap index are Glenmark Pharma, Bharat Forge, JSW Energy, Shriram Transport, Can Bank, Torrent Power, India Bull Housing Finance, Bank of India. These companies are leading to gains in the mid cap space. While in the small cap base, prominent gainers are Kesoram Industry, Jindal Poly, Jayashree Tea, Shakti Pumps, Sandur Magnesium, Pratibha Industries, Liberty Housing and Mahindra CI. So these companies are on the buying spree, and as a result the BSE mid cap index is 1.2% up. The BSE small cap index, BSE Bank X is also prominent gainers in today's trade. It is a 1.6% led by buying in both public and private sector bank. Except for Axis Bank, all the components of BSE banking index are trading in green, with strong buying in IndusInd Bank, which is up more than 3%, and even supported by PSU banks like Punjab National Bank and Bank of Baroda, which are up 3% at this point in time. BSE Realty Index is the biggest gainer in today's trade. It is up 3.8% at this point in time, largely led by DLF, HDL, NBCC, India Bull Real Estate, Oberoi Realty and DB Realty. In fact, DLF is up 8% at this point in time. BSE Healthcare Index is up 2% at this point in time, largely led by Sun Pharma, which is trading strong, and Torrent Pharma. Apart from then, it is supported by Glenmark, which is also 6% up. Ipca Lab, Vivimid, Claris and Vipta Labs and Granules India are supporting the BSE Pharma Index. Apart from this, we are also seeing gains in Auto Pack. Auto Index is up 1% at this point in time, led by counters like Bharat Forge, Eicher Motors, Bajaj Auto, Exide Industries, Cummins and Motherson Solar System. BSE Oil and Gas Index is up, supported by Reliance and Castrol, which are up. Reliance is up 2% and Castrol is up more than 1.5% at this point in time. Or even the oil marketing companies are trading in green, but the gains are less than percent. Both BPHP and IOC are trading less than 0.5% at this point in time. In terms of prominent gainers and losers in Sensex at this point in time, Vedanta Limited, Sun Pharma, Reliance, Bajaj Auto, HDFC and State Bank are the prominent gainers in Sensex, while prominent losers in Sensex are Dr. Reddy's, Axis Bank and GAIL. Rupee at this point in time is trading almost flat at 65.15 versus dollar, and also we have seen that recently the WPI data was released. It came at -4.05 versus CNBC goal expectation of -2.76, which is better than street expectation. Friends, that's all from Advisory Desk. Have a wonderful day ahead.